football nights are finally back. Hey, shots our heavyweight champion.
Fuck.
Ish.
I have to find a new gym though in California.
Damn, all the boys are leaving. We're getting set in live.
Not expecting any high quality shots tonight, huh?
From Timothy. Show them how it's done. Show them like all that.
Around the world. Gotta get this in your blog, right?
Nassim's here.
Out of time.
How's the angle?
It's pretty good actually. Hold right there. Right there. Oh.
Nice. Oh. Ooh. It's on camera, Jesse. Nice. Good pass. George. Nice. Nice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh.
Yeah, we have the extras.
Take your time. Nice. Oh boy. Oh no! Damn it! That would have been perfect. I would have posted on his Facebook every day. That's the second one today. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Oh, nice. Ha! Oh! Yes! Oh snap. Good game. Nassim.
You like stopped it for him and then ran away. Reggie, no, I'm still on you. He walked right by you. What are you talking about? He nagged you, buddy. And then he went like this, just right by you. Come on. Oh, just stop now. Megan, come on, come on. Do it. You fucking do it. Come on.
I'm done. I can't.
Can I insult my players like that?
Did you hear yourself? Good game, everyone.
Yeah, one more. Not tonight.
Respect. Respect.
Okay, I'll tell you when my feet are at the bottom of the screen. There. The bottom of your camera now is my feet.
Juan, are you okay?
No, it's hard.
Jesse's a professional massage therapist, in case you need anything. Wait, really?
I'd rather go out and let you nutmeg me on the way up.
Tim.
Look, I was not.
Yo guys, we're making a TikTok after this. No twerking, you just need to jump. Oh.
That's a foul, buddy.
No.
That was opportunity. You saw he shot down. He like took out the last defender.
He put his foot under mine.
Yeah. Let's watch the replay. Watch the replay. You can see my ass mark where the ball should be.
You put your foot under mine, not mine over yours.